best way to take it out is with the pliers, but you can do it different ways. Retainer pins, just like that, and then this one like this. Same thing with this one. Take the pins out. After that, these two pins comes out. This is actually one of the simplest replacing brake pads. Got his pins here. So take the pins out on each cotter pin. It's called cotter pin. And then there's another one here, which is right here.
What are you checking there? I see.
Comes right out.
Count them out.
Right there. Like that. And then,
What are you doing?
see that? Comes right out. Pull it out. Next thing with the other one. Match it up. And go like this, go over here. Real simple. Take it out. Cotter pins out. And then from there,
This one?
yeah, see? Because the brake pads on this guy right here, the brake pads, right? And then the other side, as you can tell, there's no more brake pads left. It's basically metal to metal. I'll inspect the other side too as well. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, see that? I'm releasing tension. So it's a lot easier for me to take it out. See, you see the pistons? It's getting like more inside. See?
These are presses. Now, let's cut you.
See?
It's pretty quite simple for
Sure is. Your brake pad's still on. First things first, you don't want to put it in just like that. You want to make sure it's the same brake pads. You know, here's a new one, here's the old one. Okay, so basically, it's still kind of tight. So what you want to do, you want to go back into it. Do that again. You know what I mean? See? Make sure the pistons are all the way in, because the brake pads that you're putting in has a lot more life.
You need to use this.
Okay, so that comes out easily. The old comes out in with the new. See? Simple as that. Comes right in. Now, next one. Same thing. Make sure it's all the way in. Pistons in. Don't want to go too hard because you're still touching the rotors. You don't want to go too hard and mess up the grooves. So just like, you know, just play with it a little bit. You know, no rush. Okay, so. Oh, okay.
That's the old one.
That's the old one. Yeah. The reason why you're hearing that. So basically, you still have like maybe 40% of life, but here's the warning brakes. So basically, when you hit the brakes, it's gonna touch your rotors, making it to squeak. You know what I mean? Like hey, just want to let you know you're getting out. But there's a way to do, and since you still have maybe like 4 to 5 millimeter left, you can actually bend this kind of back. You have brake pads still, but they're making you go to replace it. Since your stomach here, it goes in the front, it doesn't have a warning. But this one right here has in the back it has a warning. See, it's different. So this one has a warning. See it? So the difference on this one, see, as you can tell, hit the brakes, hit the rotors, you can hear the squeaking, you know. But this one right here still has a lot. I can bend this all the way back, but I don't want to, you know. Okay. But the good news is I'll keep this just in case if it's like, you know, if we don't have any brake pads, it's still good. This one again goes right here. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's take this out. Okay. What I'm gonna do right now, from preventing it from squeaking, you want to clean it because you don't want to put the new brake pads and then there's rocks. It's gonna prevent it from, you know, squeaking because of the residue, debris, and all that good stuff. So you wanna use your brake clean to clean it. Close your eyes. Make any squeaking noise or whatnot, you know?
Wait, just that?
Okay.
The power.
It's like a little. There you go. One of my favorites to replace the brakes because it's so easy. Okay. So this one will go in the front. There is no squeaking mark. I mean, there's no. You can smell it. But it smells good. Okay, so this one goes good. Huh? It's been a while though. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, guys, here. Oops. Oop, hold on. I forgot something. You're supposed to put this thing on.
You need to do that to go in here.
This one again. Okay. Halfway out. Okay, so this one right here, this pins prevents it from holding it together. So you want to put this here. The pins, you want to put it in, slide it in there to the other side. Okay. And like that. It's like so. Bam. And then this pin's right here goes to this one. Along with this one too. Okay, just like so. Bam. And off to the next one. But it's upside down. So.
Oh, is that you?
Okay. You want to make sure it's flip the thing that actually sits here. So you want to make it flush. Like that. Like that. Okay. Just, once that's in, just love tap it. Like that. Like that. Put the retainer in like so. Okay. So next one. Just like that. Okay. And off to the next one, which is gonna be the cotter pin, and kind of need that.
Why?
Slides it.
Oh, it's
So.
for you.
A little love tap in there.
I know how to work.
Okay. That's good. On to the next one. Next cotter pin.
Is this one?
And that is how you do. What's it? It's in there.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, it's in there.
Good.
Yeah, it's in there. So basically that's how it is, and that's that.
Just that?
That's that. Put the tire on, you're good.